Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. October 27, Friday, long weekend. Our market dropped 56.5 points or down 0.94% to close at 5,961.99. Value turnover is at 3.1 billion pesos. So, our market recorded its lowest trading day for 2023. Year-to-day low, no? Grabe. Nahulog na below 6,000. And if you look at the bigger picture, this is also the stock price 10 years ago. It's a lost decade, no? Anyway, we're not in a bear market yet, no? By technical definition, we need to drop at least 20% from its recent high, which is around 7,000 plus, no? So mga 5.7, then we will enter into a technical recession. Yung mga opportunity nandyan. So yung mga drop natin right now, it's definitely something, a good opportunity to accumulate at least those quality names, no? Yung mga mabibilis bumalik, no? So it doesn't feel any recession right now, at least for us in the Philippines, no? So compared to 2008, completely different, no? Our economy is strong despite the high inflation. When we say high inflation, kasi you need to compare also the performance of other countries, no? Sa Europe, no? Especially sa Europe yan no? So we're high but not as high as these countries. So let's monitor, no? Stagflation could also be a reason, but one of the definition of stagflation is of course rising unemployment, no? So anyway, it's almost earning seasons for third quarter and sunod-sunod na yung mga naglalabasan ng income, no? So Metrobank also, they reported their first 9-month net income up 35.6% year-on-year to around 31.8 billion. Wilcon, they also reported a slower first 9 months of this year, no, which is down 8% year-on-year to around 2.7 billion. Definitely, we need to compare Wilcon from its regional peers, no? So talaga yung model niya very unique. No, people are just comparing Wilcon when they see their PE, compute ganyan. You need to compare it with regional peers. You don't appreciate ng mga foreign investors with Wilcon. When Wilcon had its IPO in the Philippines, it's a pure domestic IPO, no? So walang international book runner, walang international investors there. Purely domestics. They were able to raise 5 billion pesos on 20 billion market cap, something like that. Then when investors found out about Wilcon, it's trading cheap compared to its regional peers in Malaysia, in Thailand, and they should buy it, no? This is also the reason why Wilcon went from 5 pesos to 20 pesos. Then eventually it was added to the index. It had its good run, no? So umakyat ng 36, so nag-peak ng 40. Of course, it's all hindsight right now, no? Tinipid nila yung fees nila, no? When doing their IPO, it's cheaper to get a local underwriter. But yun, no? If they just got a foreign book runner or underwriter for that, they could have gotten more, no? So that's one of those lessons for Wilcon, no? Anyway, government is also trying to sell around 225 billion worth of securities next month to bridge the budget deficit. Philex Petroleum also cut its net loss to around 22.9 million in the first 9 months as petroleum revenues grew, no? But we all know naman, PXP is a bet on Recto Bank. So kahit anong FS na i-announce, hindi yan gagalaw, no? PPC or price, net income grew by 28.4%, no, in the first 9 months. This is because of higher LPG sales. Alco, no, is also set to acquire shares to increase working capital in Bavia Properties. No. Si Chelsea also reached an agreement with Metrobank and its retirement fund, no? So talagang the whole company of Odena of Deniso is entering into a restructuring, no? So si PNX also, no? And BDO agreed to a leaseback agreement with PNX as the independent oil firm restructured its debt. Union Bank is also eyeing around 20 to 25% growth in its consumer lending business. This is on back of revenge spending, revenge travel, and expected economic recovery after a slowdown in the second quarter of the year. So third quarter earnings, it's talaga yung mga nagbe-benefit dito sa high inflation market and high interest rate market are those cash rich companies. So you don't need to ask, is your company balance sheet healthy or not, no? The only way to check is to check the balance sheet. Kanya-kanya tayong definition ng healthy balance sheet, because someone asked me, is DNL does DNL has a healthy balance sheet? Kanya-kanya definition. If that's the definition for you, so be it, no? I may be right and you may be wrong, and I may be wrong and you may be right, no? So, but based on my definition, no, we can see the trend here. And yung base, and what's a healthy balance sheet for me? A healthy balance sheet is those when we acquired MPI last year or early this year, January, February, it was just trading 350. We were early in the game. No, it's one of those stocks na talagang dapat binibili. True enough, it was delisted after, no? There's a delisting announcement that happened a few weeks after we bought MPI. We were heavy on MPI that time. Second one with GSMI. GSMI, we were there 110, 115. This information are not all hindsight. It's real time when we announce our acquisition on GSMI, no? Yeah, lumipad 170 na, no? So it's a challenging environment, challenging times right now, no? But you don't need to trade every day, no? Pag bull market, okay lang malikot, but things yung mga ganitong panahon, it's better to, di ba, win some, lose little, no? Hindi naman pwede win some, lose some, no? Dapat lang konti lang talo natin, no? And all the gains natin, no? Cash rich companies, of course, yung mga maliliit yung mga utang, and also in peso, no? Once your debt is in dollar, tatamaan ka ng forex loss, no? So yan yung mga definition natin ng good balance sheet, yung healthy, no? Talaga maraming cash in their portfolio, and we're still buying these companies, no? Yung mga cash rich companies, no? These are the only companies that will benefit in this kind of environment, and let the market decide kung saan sila pupunta, no? So again, thank you very much for listening. Our passcode for today is long weekend, no? Bye bye.